Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple lock screen that makes you to solve a puzzle before you can log on to your PC. And you will need to be able to log on until you solve that puzzle. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to create a simple lock screen that requires a puzzle, you have to watch this video to the end because you don't have to miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration. So let me open my virtual machine, which I've launched already. And then we are going to need AutoHotkey installed, but I've already installed it on my virtual machine. So I'm going to leave the link at the description below. You can download and install it and follow along with the tutorial, okay? So we are going to right click on the desktop. Then we move to new, and then we click on AutoHotkey script. So I'm going to name my script puzzle lock screen. Okay, so I'm going to edit the script by right clicking on the AutoHotkey. Then I click on edit script. So I'm going to delete this. Then I copy the script on my desktop. Okay, so let me open my script and then I copy the script. Okay, so let me minimize it and then we go back to the virtual machine. So I'm going to paste the script here. And then let me explain quickly what the script does, okay? So it's going to create a lock screen, okay? That requires a puzzle, okay? And the puzzle is a scrambled word, okay? Apple is the correct answer, but if it's being scrambled, so you see, this is the scrambled word. So before you can log onto your system or before you can unlock the screen, you have to type the correct word, which is Apple, okay? That is the password to log on to the logged screen, okay? So you can change the scrambled word here and use your own words, okay? So I'm going to save the script by clicking on the file, then I click on save as. So at the save as type, I'm going to click on the down arrow and then click on all file, then I click on save, then I click on yes. Okay, so I'm going to close the notepad and then this is the puzzle lock screen we've created, okay? So let me double click on it to demonstrate how it works, okay? So you see it says unscramble this to unlock. So this is the scrambled word, okay? So you have to unscramble it to unlock your screen. So let me type a wrong word and then let's see, but you wouldn't see anything whilst you are typing, okay? So let me type the wrong letters. It says wrong, try again. Wrong, try again. And you can't use any key combination to move from this interface. So let me type the correct answer. You see, we are able to log on to the system. So we are going to now convert this puzzle lock screen to exe file, okay, to .exe file. So to do that, we are going to right click on it and then we click on compile scripts to graphic user interface, so GUI, okay. So now this is the destination, which is .exe file, okay. So now I'm going to change the icon of the AutoHotkey to a custom icon. So I'm going to browse from here, then I go to my document, then I select this icon, okay. So I'm going to click on open, then I click on convert, okay. So now we are converting from the AutoHotkey to .exe file, okay. So let me click on that. So successfully compiled. So let me click OK and then I'll close this. So this is the compiled version of the AutoHotkey script, okay, the .exe file, okay. So I can delete this and then we can use this one to lock the screen. So the moment I double click on this, it locks the screen, okay. So let me enter the correct answer. Wrong, try again. So let me try again. Okay, let me enter the correct answer now. So you see, now we are able to log on to our PC. So this is how to create a simple lock screen that requires a puzzle before you can log on to your screen or to your PC. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.